Hey guys, your girl Dom. I'm coming here with a tutorial super fast because I have to hurry up and get ready for my friend's concert. I'm so excited. So I already did my eyebrows and I already set my eye base with the Beauty Bakery setting flour and concealer. I'm going to do my eye look with my fave new Amrezy palette. Sit back and enjoy. So I'm going to start off doing my transition shade as Cupcake. Putting that on the top of my eyelids as such. And the next shade we're going to use is Hugo from the crease down. It's a pretty color there. So pretty. Oh, love this look. Then we're going to use two different highlights. Okay, we're going to use Dragon. It's like a bright gold shimmery color on my inner corners, and then they use Anastasia on my brow bone to make them pop. Love my brows. Lining my eyes with the Wonder Wing eyeliner from Rimmel. It's awesome. It's fucking dope. And there we go. We're gonna use our NYX glitter primer, our liner brush to line our eyes, but like to basically put that down, and we're gonna put it up to the crease. Leave a little bit of the outer corner untouched. Thicker brush, we're going to use the color Liddy from the Amrezy palette to make our glitter pop. Love glitter. Love warm colors. It looks so good. It makes me so happy. Yeah, I'm just making the eyes pop in the dark. Yes. Then we're going to use BK on the outer corners to make that kind of nice cat eye somewhat kind of look. I like to reline it just to make sure it looks all neat. Those lines sharp. Now we have our foundation. I did the Mousse de Leche for the highlight and dark cocoa for my cover up. Now I'm going to set my face. And it's set with the ColourPop medium deep setting powder. Make sure you get all up in the hairline as well. Now I'm doing a blush. I'm doing Cranberry Bold from Mary Kay, my fave. All the way makes my face pop. Apples out, apples out. Now we're doing our lip gloss. We're doing NYX Copenhagen. It's a pretty color, as you can tell. I love a bold lip. Makes me happy. Do more lip stuff. Yay. Also, my foundation color is NYX Coca. So we're going to use Zanzibar on our cheeks, and then another highlighter called Fiji on the main highlight, and then set it with my X spray. This final look, I did my mascara off, and now here's my friend Ashley.